Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Monday and marks the beginning of a new week. So, happy new week, guys. Before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals for today. And as for today, don't have any specific news. We have FOMIC members to give some speech. That is at 5 p.m. The 2:20 p.m. one is minor. And also we have Japan bank holiday, we have China bank holiday. So this whole week, China and Japan, they are having holidays. So if you trade Japanese yen, I'll advise you to stay away from the market this week. All right. Besides that, we have no news today. So let's go back to the charts. First of all, weekly. And looking at the weekly charts, yesterday, those of you who attended the live session, I made you guys understood what is likely to happen based on what is happening inside the markets. Now, we can see that this level, after the breakout, price has tapped into it the second time. Breakout retests, market flew, created double top formation, and dropped, testing the level again, got rejected. And as you can see, it even came there for the third time. All right. And still got rejected. Now we have this zone 2, which has been respected. All right. Also, so now recently we have these zones where the markets would trade between them. All right. These are the weekly zones. Now, if you look at weekly, let's look at last week's candle. Looking at last week's candle, closed bearish, but because 2 weeks ago's candle was bullish, and last week's bearish candle didn't close below the opening price of the bullish candle. Instead, it closed halfway of the bullish candle, meaning there is a possibility for the market to keep flying, but there is also a possibility for the market to test 2020 or the push to the upside may happen. All right. Also, if a candle closes below 2020, then rest assured that we are coming to 2010, 2006. All right. That's what is happening on weekly time frame. Now, when you come to daily, you can see for sure that daily candles respected this level at 2040. That was on Wednesday. On Thursday, Friday gave bearish. Okay. So today, the market can test that 2017 levels. Market can test 2017. Also, it can get reversed at 2020, giving a double bottom formation, H1. When you get there, you will understand what I'm talking about. All right. But if a candle closes below 2020, then we are coming to 2017, 2010, possibly 2006. All right. So that's what is happening. That's what is happening. So today there is a possibility that the market will still push back up to somewhere 2033 and drop again, or it can drop from where it is, because if you look at daily, you can see that Yesterday, last Monday's candle closed below the closing price of Monday's candle, the opening price of Tuesday's candle, Wednesday and Thursday. All right, it closed below all of them, meaning the market has potentials to drop 2017 again and even hit 2010. All right, so you need patience. Wait. Now, H4. What is happening in H4? And if you look at H4, you can see that the market is trying to push back down. And as it is pushing down, you should expect this level. First of all, it has to respect this. Okay, market may respect this level, push a little high to somewhere here, 2027, 2028, 2030 levels. Then it can drop again, break, take away this low, come lower, 2017 levels. Then we can experience another push to the upside. And then finally, the week, before the week ends, there is a potential that the market will close below 2006. Remember, we have CPI this week. Right. Okay, so what is happening in H1? Good. So if you look at H1, you can see that last week, this is what happened. The market dropped all the way to 2020 and got reversed or got rejected with strong bullish candle. So there is a potential for the market to test that same level again, giving a double bottom, so that we can fly to somewhere 2027 or can even go all the way to 2030 and drop again to break this low and come here and push again. Or it can just come all the way here straight away and go back up like this and keep dropping. Okay, this is also possible. Again, it can just create a double bottom right here and go all the way to 2035. This is also possible. All right. So all we need is patience to wait and see what is going to happen before we go into the market and pick some trades. So when you go to 30 minutes, that's the same thing happening. So there is a high possibility, a double bottom, for the market to push back to 2028. If it breaks, then it can go all the way to 2033, 34 and drop again. All right. So guys, all we need is patience to wait and see how the market is going to play out. We get the opportunity and we shoot. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP levels, which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active inside the game for the long run. Until then, we'll see you in another video. Have a nice day. Enjoy your week. Make sure you don't throw your money out. All right. Guys, if you haven't gotten an account with Kutana yet, I will still advise you get an account. Let's pass for you so that you can start trading with real funds. Right. So guys, until then, I will see you in another video and have a nice day.